I'm a former pro bull rider, retired back in 2012, so it's been 13 years now. It's been about that long since I've been on one, so I enjoy doing these clinics just because it allows me to stay involved with the sport, but mostly I like the opportunity that I have to work with people like you. Just kind of introduce yourself, tell us where you're from, maybe how many bulls have you been on. And
I'm Jake. I'm from California, and I've never ridden a bull.
Out of curiosity, what made you decide you guys want to try riding a bull? Him?
Yeah,
he drug you in this?
Yeah, he was like, oh, want to ride a bull? And I was like, oh, I don't know.
My name is Elias. Come out of Oregon, originally from Los Angeles. I found love with rodeo about 2 years ago, watching the St. Paul rodeo, and just thought it was so awesome. And I was like, hey, I want to try that, man.
You're how old?
16.
16. Been on quite a few, and you came to my clinic last year, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, he's definitely committed. You know, he's always sending me videos of his rides, and he's getting on practice bulls all the time and working at it. You know, and that's what it takes. You just learn from others, right? If there's somebody better than you, study them, right? Learn from them, because they've been where you're at, right? And so we can learn from each other and encourage each other. So when we talk about riding, there's two positions, right? I'm going to keep it simple. Position one is when that bull's front end's coming up. Position two is when he kicks. That's when his back end's up. He's coming down. You're trying not to go up the front too much, right? So in position one, you want to be up on your legs. See where my rope is? My rope is behind my legs. I'm on top of my rope. I'm on my pockets, right? You can tell, right? I'm on my butt. Now I'm on my legs. You see the difference? Butt, legs. So in position two, when the bull kicks, just kind of wanting to go away from your hand. See how high your elbow is? Yep. So I would work on, because you're kind of going up.
too much there. That looks good. Staying forward. Staying forward. He's kicking, and you're back to the front. So that was great, man. All right. Take a bull ride now. Let's have some fun. Get it done. Get it done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you're doing good, man. You're nodding your head and doing something most people don't ever do, right? So you can tell everybody you're a bull rider. So.